Imagine a ladder stretching from Earth all the way to space. It's a fantastical idea, a true feat of engineering and imagination. This ladder would need to be incredibly long, reaching far beyond our atmosphere and into the vastness of space. People have often wondered, could we simply climb to space using such a ladder? Could we ascend beyond the clouds and reach for the stars? The reality is that building such a ladder is impossible with our current technology. The distances are too vast, and the challenges of construction in space are immense. But the concept allows us to explore the fundamental forces at play in our universe, such as gravity. Gravity is the force that pulls everything towards each other. It's what keeps our feet firmly planted on the ground and what keeps the Earth orbiting the sun. The strength of gravity depends on two things: mass and distance. The more massive an object, the stronger its gravitational pull. The closer you are to an object, the stronger its gravitational influence on you. As we move away from the Earth, its gravitational pull weakens, but it never truly disappears. Even astronauts orbiting Earth are still under the influence of Earth's gravity, though it's significantly weaker than what we experience on the surface. Let's say for a moment that we could construct this incredible space ladder. What would it feel like to climb it? As we ascend, the Earth's gravitational pull would gradually decrease, but we wouldn't feel weightless immediately. We would still feel the pull towards Earth, although it would become lighter with each step higher we climb. The air would also become thinner, making it increasingly difficult to breathe. We would need specialized equipment and suits to provide us with oxygen and protection from the harsh conditions of space. Even with these challenges, the view from the top of this hypothetical ladder would be breathtaking. Reaching a certain distance from Earth, we would experience a sensation commonly referred to as zero gravity, although it's more accurately called microgravity. In this state, we would feel weightless, as if we were floating. However, it's important to remember that we wouldn't actually be floating, but rather falling. The sensation of floating arises because we would be falling towards Earth at the same rate as everything around us, including the ladder itself. It's this simultaneous freefall that creates the illusion of weightlessness. So, in a sense, climbing a ladder to space would ultimately be a controlled fall into the cosmos. Zero gravity or microgravity is a fascinating phenomenon that has intrigued scientists and space enthusiasts alike. It occurs because the spacecraft and everything inside it are in a state of continuous freefall towards Earth. This creates an environment where the effects of gravity are not felt, allowing for unique scientific experiments and observations. For instance, in microgravity, liquids form perfect spheres, and flames behave differently than they do on Earth. The experience of weightlessness also has significant effects on the human body. Without the constant pull of gravity, astronauts can experience muscle atrophy and bone density loss. To counteract these effects, astronauts must follow a rigorous exercise regimen while in space. Additionally, the sensation of weightlessness can affect an astronaut's sense of orientation and balance. The inner ear, which helps us maintain balance on Earth, can become confused in the microgravity environment. This can lead to space motion sickness, a common issue for astronauts during their initial days in space. Despite these challenges, the experience of zero gravity is often described as exhilarating and liberating. Floating freely with the vast expanse of space around you is a unique and unforgettable experience. As we continue to explore space, understanding and adapting to microgravity will be crucial for long-term missions. Whether it's for scientific research, commercial ventures, or future colonization, mastering the challenges of zero gravity is essential. So the next time you think about climbing a ladder to space, remember that it's not just about reaching the stars. It's about experiencing the incredible sensation of weightlessness and the wonders of microgravity. And who knows, maybe one day we'll all get the chance to float among the stars. Until then, we can only dream of the day when zero gravity becomes a part of our everyday lives. So, in a sense, climbing a ladder to space would ultimately be a controlled fall into the cosmos.